of tactics include
higher edge county has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. for
Miles per hour.
Castle County.
Hazard.
At 4:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Park, 1430 pounds. Sighting, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations of tactics include Salem, Delaware City, St. George.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Cumberland and Salem,